You're watching the Weiss channel. All right, today we are adding to the zero product property by doing factoring first, okay? In other words, here we have this problem. In order to factor, to solve, you have to have one side equal to 0. So to make one side equal to 0, I'm going to minus that 2x from both sides. And then I'm going to minus the 6 from both sides. And I have x squared plus 15x plus 56 equals 0. So back to factoring, what times what makes x squared is x times x. And then 7 times 8 makes 56, and 7 plus 8 makes 15. So that's how you factor. And now x equals -7 and x equals -8. Okay. Over here, I have x squared plus -8x equals -9x plus 12. I'm going to plus 9x to both sides. But once I plus 9x, notice how I can't, there isn't anything on the left side to subtract 12 from. So I'm going to put in a 0 and subtract 12. And I just have x squared plus 1x minus 12 equals 0, which factors to x plus 4, x minus 3 equals 0. So your answer is x equals -4 and x equals 3. Over here, I'm going to start by minusing 6x to give me x squared plus 6x minus 27 equals 0, which factors to x plus 9, x minus 3. So my answer is x equals -9 and x equals +3. I'm going to minus 7x. I'm going to do this in one step now. I'm going to minus 7x and add 6x. To give me x squared minus 12x plus 35, which factors to x minus 5, x minus 7 equals 0. So x equals 5 and x equals 7. Okay. Over here, I'm going to add 9x to both sides first. Now, for the first time, we have a number next to the x squared, that 5, okay? 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 0, which is going to factor to 5x minus 2 times x plus 1. So my answer is x equals +2 over 5 and x equals -1. Over here, notice when I add 8x to both sides, I don't have an x term on the left side. So I'm just going to add it in, meaning 3x squared plus 8x plus 7 equals 3. Now I'm going to take away the 3 from the 7, it makes 4. So 3x squared plus 8x plus 4, which factors to 3x plus 2 times x plus 2. Answer is -2/3 and -2. Over here, I'm going to subtract 6x and subtract 3. I'm going to do that all in one step to get 6x squared minus 11x plus 3 equals 0. Factors to 3x minus 1, 2x minus 3. And the answer being +1/3 and +3/2. In one step, I'm going to subtract 4x and subtract 1 to give me 3x squared minus 17x minus 6 equals 0, which factors to 3x plus 1 times x minus 6 equals 0. My answer being x equals -1/3 and x equals +6. You've been watching the Weiss channel.